In early July, western parts of South Africa were surprised by an unexpected snowfall. Meanwhile, in June, the United Nations reported the highest global average temperature ever recorded. These diverse climate conditions bring joy to sellers of advanced ceiling systems, offering efficient room cooling and heating. These systems, designed for buildings with drop ceilings, incorporate aluminum heat distribution plates and 5 layers of 10 mm by 1.3 mm polymer tubing. Their versatility shines through as a single control panel can effectively manage up to 128 rooms, making them a valuable solution for office buildings and hospitals alike. Have you ever marveled at how effortlessly roads appear in city building games? Just a couple of clicks, and there they are. Well, a British company has brought a similar technology to real life. With just a few simple steps, you can lay down and connect these ingenious mats, and voila! The road is ready. Measuring 1.8 by 0.9 meters, they can withstand heavy equipment, supporting up to 80 tons. Need a parking lot? No problem. Each mat, weighing 40 kilograms, is a powerful option for manual installation. However, the price is quite impressive at $294 per mat. A groundbreaking solution indeed. Now let's talk about water stops for waterproofing and sealing joints in concrete structures like subway parking lots, tunnels, canals, and building foundations. Unlike moss or rubber, this material doesn't fatigue over time. It can withstand expansion, contraction, and even compensate for displacements caused by temperature changes or foundation settling. Conveniently, the water stop comes in 25-meter rolls and is easy to cut and install on site, as demonstrated by this team. What's more, it's resistant to diesel fuel, seawater, and acids. The price per meter is $5. Innovative builders have truly impressed us this year, showcasing remarkable concepts like homes made from salt and sunflowers. Amidst these unique experiments, they also offer more conventional solutions, such as the ingenious beam and block flooring. This system cleverly combines reinforced concrete beams with pressed wood blocks, providing a straightforward and efficient solution for residential and commercial buildings alike. With element thickness ranging from 160 to 260 millimeters, it enables spans of up to 8.5 meters. Remarkably, this system is twice as lightweight as similar ones, making it ideal for renovating old houses too. An incredible innovation. Ever wondered if a team of 8th graders could construct a house? Well, they absolutely can. But there's a catch: it has to be an Intershelter prefabricated house. These versatile homes, widely used worldwide, offer ingenious solutions for diverse needs. From glamping getaways to temporary housing for disaster victims and even homes for the homeless, these houses have got it all. Withstanding hurricanes, earthquakes, and even handling up to 18 kilograms of snow, they boast an impressive lifespan of 50 years. Coming in 14 or 29 square meter sizes, weighing 213 or 500 kilograms respectively, these remarkable houses are priced at a reasonable $9,000 or $13,000. Discover innovative solutions that evoke the ingenuity of Lego toys. One particularly captivating video is aptly named Concrete Lego. This approach involves assembling reinforced concrete structures with small teams of 3 to 5 people. The manufacturer handles a diverse range of projects, collaborating with industry giants like BP, INEOS, and Shell for road barriers, pipe racks, and bridges. The most remarkable part? These structures can be installed in approximately 60% less time. For example, just 5 individuals can install 122 linear meters of duct bank in a single day. Their cost-effectiveness and remarkable durability against corrosion and weathering make them truly groundbreaking. Pricing details available upon request. In a race against time to construct bridges or tunnels, behold the game changer, these remarkable blocks that can slash months of work to mere days. Say goodbye to the laborious task of pouring formwork, for this ingenious system operates just like a customizable Lego set. Each standard block, measuring 75 by 37 by 37 centimeters and weighing 210 kilograms, comes with distinctive protrusions, reminiscent of iconic Lego blocks. But that's not all, there's specialized machinery too, like the zipper system truck, crafting a magnificent 3-meter arch. Embrace the future of construction and build wonders at lightning speed. Recently, Spain was hit by unprecedented weather extremes, shattering both winter and summer temperature records in 2021. Catalonia experienced bone-chilling temperatures of -34.1 degrees Celsius, while Extremadura endured scorching highs of 60 degrees Celsius in July 2023. Alarming heat maps showed a dangerous black zone, signaling a need for action. Responding to these conditions, a local company introduced an innovative roof insulation system. Using aluminum panels with rigid polyurethane, it effectively keeps homes warm in winter and cool in summer. Remarkably versatile, it can be mounted on various roof tiles, boasting the lowest thermal conductivity coefficient. The demand has been overwhelming, with over 40,000 square meters of roofs already insulated in Spain alone. Mineral wool, a popular insulation material, but one variant stands out: basalt fiber insulation. What sets it apart? It defies extreme temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius, a breeze to install, and highly mold and mildew resistant. Imagine this: a mere 10 cm version rivals 200 cm sandland brick. Ideal for piping installation, it reduces noise, prevents condensation, and stays chemically inert. Elevate your insulation game with basalt fiber, perfect for homes and industries. Ready for the magic? Get a 3.5-meter roll for just $17. Embrace basalt fiber, the future of insulation. And lastly, let's explore the VarioKit modular formwork system in conjunction with the Perry formwork. This powerful duo is employed in Switzerland for building a bridge and a traffic circle, achieving impressive results. The bridge spans an impressive 240 meters, perfectly complementing the 60-meter diameter roundabouts. Some of the elements weigh over 80 tons. The VarioKit plus Perry combination proved highly beneficial for several reasons. Versatility has the same set of materials can be used for making slabs or columns, sealed joints eliminating leaks, and infinite adjustability ensuring easy adaptation to any design. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.